So this is how I put together the wiring for auxiliary lighting on my CB500X. You can see this is a part of a wiring harness and light switch assembly I got off of eBay or Amazon pretty cheap, $9 I think. Came with the wiring, the relay. I mounted the relay here with this little post like this. Back here I used a plastic screw and screwed that in to secure it. Ran the wires down, and then the power, where the power cords were basically I cut off and I attached to this plug for the option plug. So I'm drawing the power from here, switched to the ignition, and then I ran the wires through here along the side of the chassis, up the tank, and then right here is where I terminated the switch. So I got the Sumitomo connector, waterproof seal plug, and I cut off the generic plug that came with the wiring harness and inserted this, installed this, and then that connects to up here to this accessory switch. So that'll turn the lights off and on, and even if I leave the switch on, since it's switched on the ignition, it will be off. So I will show you the lead to the wires, or to the lights, is right here, and that's coming off of that same harness, although I attached this connector as well, waterproof connector. And the lights are wired together, and we'll plug right into this. Let me show you the lights here. So these are little LED lamps that I also got off Amazon, and they're going to be mounting on a GV light bar underneath the frame, underneath the chin, which mounts to these connection points here, and they'll be suspended out either side of the headlight. So I will show you how that works. Turn the ignition on, and the lights are here. I've just got them setting on the handlebars just for demonstration purposes. Turn the lights on, boom, turn them off, on, off. And then when it's on, this also illuminates to let you know that the lamp is on. So looking forward to getting it all finished up as soon as I get that light bar in the mail.